In a test of effectiveness of garlic for lowering cholesterol, 45 subjects were treated with garlic in a processed tablet form. Cholesterol levels were measured before and after the treatment. The changes in their levels of LDL cholesterol have a mean of 3.3 and a standard deviation of 16.2. Complete parts A and B below. What is the best point estimate of the population mean net change in LDL cholesterol after the garlic treatment? The point estimate for the population mean is the sample mean. So of this sample of 45 subjects, there was a sample mean of 3.3. So 3.3 would be the point estimate for the population mean. Now, because of sampling error, we need to calculate an interval estimate. So part B says construct a 95% confidence interval estimate of the mean net change in LDL cholesterol after the garlic treatment. And then what does the confidence interval suggest about the effectiveness of garlic in reducing LDL cholesterol? So we're going to click Statcrunch. We're going to hit Stat. T statistics because the population standard deviation is not known. One sample with summary because we're told the mean, the standard deviation, and the sample size. So the sample mean is 3.3. The sample standard deviation is 16.2. And the sample size is 45. Click Next. We want a confidence interval, and we're supposed to have a 95% confidence level, so we'll leave that the way it is, and hit Calculate. Now these limits, the lower and upper limit for this interval estimate, if we round to 1 decimal place, will be minus 1.6 to 8.2. So we'll type that in here. So what we're saying then is that the population mean is between minus 1.6 and 8.2. with 95% confidence. But the interesting thing about that interval is that it contains 0. So since it contains 0, it is possible that the mean change is 0, which would tell us then that garlic is not effective. So we'll select A, the confidence interval limits contain 0, suggesting that the garlic treatment did not affect the LDL cholesterol levels.